Hey guys, what are we doing?
We are building a bug house at Home Depot.
Bug house at Home Depot.
Home Depot.
The Home Depot. All right, let's go.
Te Home Depot.
Te Home Depot.
Yep.
Let's go. Okay, we're here at the Home Depot. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready for adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah, bug house.
Yeah. 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 How are ya?
Good. Look, they're still getting set up.
Yes, we're still getting time to
We're a little early.
We're the first people.
I don't know if they're ready for us yet. Okay, I see people showing up now. Maybe they're open. Let's go check it.
He's pulling me like he's so I'll stop.
You guys have the 20
Oh,
year?
we have one already.
Did we give you the 20 year?
Oh, is it a special one? Oh, we'll take that. Okay.
You have the special one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Building memories for 20 years. Poof. Perfect.
Yeah. This is how I wear it.
That's it. They only gave us one. Oh. Yeah. Isn't that lovely? Yeah.
Right? Yo. Okay, take that.
Wait, can I see that?
Uh-huh. Ooh.
I didn't got this. Oh no, I put these in
That it?
Got a string and some screen, all the wood pieces, the stickers.
Net.
Oh, something in that box. I hear it.
I mean, look. I see. What is it? I have no idea. Oh, they're like little tiny pins to hold things.
Tax. If you buy those, you have to pay tax.
Okay. Here. Will this
thank
work?
you. Thank you. Esa para insectos.
Big one.
Step 1.
Yeah. That's it. There's a screw there, okay? What do we need? What does it say?
I'm trying to just get this lined up.
Yeah, it's a little tricky. And now one nail at a time, get it perfectly lined up, one corner.
Now the last one. Probably the trickiest. There.
Very cool. That looks great. Good job, Sophia. Oh. And how's your turnout, Sophia? What do you got so far? Very cool. You built a box. Yeah, use a hammer as a screwdriver. Working on string.
And I'm going to let you finish hammering it, okay? Did she come with a screwdriver or did you have one?
Hammer.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Are you gonna paint it? Okay, we should probably paint it before we put the screen on. Okay? Painting time. Do you want blue? This one? Okay. Oh, blue and pink? Okay. Blue, pink, purple, and green. Got it.
This side.
Right here, go with your sister. What do you want? You want blue? Well, I can't have blue.
Did you make a little oops?
On the head.
What we have to do now is when it dries,
There.
it's for your hand.
Hello.
Hello.
How's your day going?
Did it.
Painting's done?
Wait.
Okay, let it dry for a little bit.
I'm trapped.
You are trapped. Your hands have been tied. Bam.
What bam?
Well, bam. Are they dry enough to put the screen on now? Is it dry enough?
We need to feel the bottom because it goes all the way to the top of the there. Done.
Okay, let's go put the screen on.
After I untie myself.
Oh, you're all tied up. You tied yourself to the caution rope? Oh, look at this. You are tied to the caution rope. We've got a full crowd today. So we'll build on the ground. Okay.
Hey, do you want some tacks?
Tacks. You're gonna need the tacks to put the screen in.
So, how do we start? Oh, do the edge. Okay.
You gotta push those tacks in.
Now this is the third bowl.
Power. Push, Sophia.
Oh my!
Now you can put the middle ones, the middle tacks. Or you can just spin it.
Yeah, let's just
Is that your fidget bug house spinner?
Spin for me, spin for me, spin for me. Okay. This is in the middle.
Ouchies? Yeah, if you want to use up those extra tacks, put them on that seam. Right there. That'll make that seam nice and tight so no bug can escape. And you still have extras? You won't even need them. That's hard work, huh? You okay? Do we need to take you to the hospital? Get the tack doctor to fix you up? Go ahead, catch a bug.
Okay. If I can find one. Okay. I can't open it.
Did you paint it closed? Here, I think we
I have
can
another tag.
force it open. There you go. Sticker time.
Sticker.
Sticker.
No, I broke my sticker.
Oh no.
You can put it in your bucket if you want.
Perfect.
Special stickers for you guys, okay?
Oh, awesome. I did it. I did it.
I did it. What?
Mhm.
I'll put it.
Wait, it's my
Will it
power
fit on that?
thing.
Yes.
That's very clever.
It's my power thing.
I think it will. Well, mostly.
Mostly. It'll hang over just a little bit, but it still looks cool.
It's still good. I did it.
I did it.
Power arm.
Power arms.
Yeah, those are like Wonder Woman's bracelets. You have like Wonder Woman power bracelets. Yeah.
What's for stickers?
Wonder Woman power stickers.
I like that. Where are you guys going to put them?
Outside somewhere.
Put them in the backyard.
Try to catch a bug.
There you go.
Mhm.
Come to my house, I bet you can catch them.
Yeah.
You guys did a great job.
Thanks.
Good job. Oh, look. I like that.
It almost
Good place for it.
it almost fits.
It almost fits.
Okay. Thanks.
Good job, guys. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
All right, where you're working on.
What was that freak out? Hickey freaked out a little bit. Crazy kids. The crazy kids freak out.
Spin.
Was that a fun one?
Yeah.
That one was a long one. That one took some work.
Look.
Power bracelets.
It's bumpy. Bumpy.
So let's go home and catch some bugs.
It's bumpy.
Let's go.
It's a dance floor.
It's a dance floor.
I can go.
Dance floor. Whoa, cool. Okay, what's in this shed, I wonder? Oh, nothing over. Oh no! What's over there? What's there?
I'm not here.
You guys tricked me.
I'm not dancing around.